Lights out? No problem. Today we're making a battery from scratch in the apocalypse. Why? Because without power, you can't run your radio, flashlight, or that weird electric toothbrush you've been hoarding. Also, electricity makes you look like a wizard, and who doesn't want that? Step 1, gather materials. You'll need 3 things: copper, zinc, and something acidic. Copper can be coins, pipes, or the wiring from that car you're never going to drive again. Zinc? Grab galvanized nails, old bolts, or just rip it out of that broken gutter. For the acid, vinegar works great. Lemons work too, but good luck finding a lemon tree in the wasteland. If you can't, raid an abandoned diner. The ones in those little packets will do fine. Bonus points if you find duct tape. Not essential for the battery. I just think it's sexy. Step 2, make the cells. Cut up a piece of cardboard or paper to fit between the metals. Soak it in your acid, vinegar, lemon juice, or whatever's making your nose burn. Now stack it like this: copper, soaked paper, zinc. That's one cell. Make several cells and tape them together. Think of it as post-apocalyptic Lego, except it can shock you. Step 3, connect it. Hook the copper end of one cell to the zinc end of the next. Keep chaining them until you've got a nice little battery snake. The more cells, the more voltage. Just don't get greedy or you'll cook your gadgets faster than a squirrel in a microwave. And trust me, I've been there. Step 4, test it. Hook it up to an LED light, a radio, or maybe that old Game Boy you found. If it works, congrats. You've just created electricity from garbage. You're basically the Tesla of the wasteland, minus the billionaire part. And that's how you build a DIY battery when the world's gone dark. No stores, no fancy tools, just copper, zinc, acid, and pure genius. Now go power something important. Or, a disco ball. Priorities.